Okay, going into where the pantry is going to be. Turning to your left, this is where washer and dryer, and the 2 bedrooms are going to go on the other side of this wall. Crossing. This is the woman cave. Going into the great room. If I turn to my right, this is our master bedroom. See if I can. This is what it looks like outside the windows of the master bedroom, overlooking the city of Mesquite. Right here is the great room. In the corner, there's going to be a fireplace. This wall is where the television's going to go. You got 2 windows, also overlooking the city of Mesquite. Here's our new doors. Let's see if I can close the door. You can see them better. So there's the new doors. You can open them up with this, and they have a screen to let some air in. Over here is where the kitchen's going to go. There's the bay window. This wall is where refrigerator's going to go. That door right there is the pantry door I walked into. And this wall right here will have cabinets, the oven, and right here, this little opening will have a bar. This is where the island's going to go, the kitchen. And the island will be facing north to where the television's going to go. So the island's going to have the cooktop and the sink, so I don't have to turn my back on anyone while I'm attempting to cook. And there's the house. I'll take you outside. We'll go outside through the pantry. Show you what the porch looks like. So here's the portico. We haven't decided what we're going to put on the floor. But there's the front doors. So this is the portico. We'll decide on that later. So here's one side of the patio, and the opening to the garage. Then we go to the side. Oh, there's Keekers. Hey, Keekers. I go around here. It's gonna look like a mess right now. This is the other side of the porch. There's some of our neighbors over there. Come around here. There's the north side of the porch. Keep walking. This is where we have all our stuff that we need to finish the building. Drywall. And we're around where the portico is again. Here's our doors. We had a dust devil come by and knock everything down. Here's some of our supplies. So, the cat's looking for me. Okay, so I will go around the house one more time. So this is where the front doors are. There's the bay window. There's the opening to where the pantry is going to be. There's another window that'll open. My weights. That's where the 2 bedrooms are going to go. There and there. This is the opening to the woman cave. There's one window to the woman cave. And another window to the woman cave. Here's the window to our master bedroom. And here is the doors leading outside from the master bedroom. We'll have French doors and a pet door on it so the cat can go in and out. And then there's the windows to the bedrooms that overlook the city of Mesquite. And there's the cat again. Kitters. And there you have it. It's the house.